Hey YouTubers, this is the American Samurai, once again, coming to you almost live from Small Town, USA, with another unboxing video. So let's get opening here. Ow. Okay. Not another one like this. Oh, it says GameCube compatible. Let's hope it's right this time. Memory card. I was hoping for my GameCube. Second time they see one like this. I wanted a GameCube one. I can tell them a GameCube one. Let's hope it works. Twist of Fate, Andre the Giant, and Royal Rumble 2011. Until next time, this is the American Samurai saying, break it down. Until next time, this is the American Samurai saying, oh, I always said that. Sorry. Happy holidays.